All right, so all we have left is to check for vertical wins. Check for diagonal wins. And this is a little bit of work because we're going to type it all out. But for the most part, it's pretty simple. The code, again, is going to look almost exactly the same. So we'll call it check diagonal. Diagonal? Diagonal. Diagonal. Diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. Nailed it. Check diagonal, and we'll still have a parameter for player. We'll import our global variable 1. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to literally just write out what a diagonal win looks like. So a diagonal win looks like having board 0, item 1, board 2, item 1, board 0, item 0, board 1, item 1, board 2, item 2. So we can just write that out by hand. So if board 0 and the 0 item from that list equals player and board 1 item 1 equals player and board 2 item 2 equals player. Now that's one condition, right? We can have a diagonal this way. We can also have a diagonal this way. So board 0 item 2, board 1 item 1, board 2 item 0. So we can write that condition out as well. So what I'm going to do is put all this in parentheses. That will be our first condition. And then we can add our second condition with an OR statement. And then again, just write that out. So that's going to be board 0, item 2 equals player and board 1, item 1 equals player and board 2, item 0 equals player. And that should check both our conditions there. That was a long one. And then everything else is still the same. We change 1 to true. We show the board so we can see what it looks like when we won. And then we'll print out a congratulations statement. Print congratulations. Player won the game diagonally. And that should do it. And again, just like all our others, we'll stick this check diagonal with the parameter player in our game loop for both players' turns. Oops. And then we keep our fingers crossed that we can win diagonally. So let's give it a try. Let's see. So let's go. X can go there. O can go here. X wants to go in 2, 2, 2, 2. O we can put anywhere. We'll put him in row 2, column 1. And then for the diagonal win, X needs to go in row 3, item 3. And we have our diagonal win. Congratulations, X won the game diagonally. And that's pretty much it for our game of tic-tac-toe. We could implement a couple other things, but for the base model of the game, that's about it.